Hello and welcome back to my channel Grumblytummy. Today we're going to make a dish made out of cheese. And the dish for today is potato stretchy, super stretchy cheesy nuggets. A rat could smell this 1,000 miles away. So let's begin. First take 250 grams of normal potatoes and wash them. Then take a pan and fill it 3/4 with water and let the water boil. Now take and peel the potatoes while waiting for the water to boil. Now take the potatoes and cut them into big pieces or big chunks. Don't make the chunks small or we can't mash them in properly. Now add the chunks of potatoes to the boiling water. Hey, you don't belong here. Now take a cube of pizza or mozzarella cheese. In the supermarket, it is mostly known as pizza cheese. Pizza and mozzarella cheese are the same. So take it and cut it into small pieces like I've done in the video. Or we can't roll them into cheese balls. And make sure they're small. Now take a fork and poke the potato. If it's soft, that means it's ready to strain. If it's not, let it boil for some more time. Now we have to mash the potato. Mash it so that there are no pieces of small pieces of potatoes left. Now we need to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then 2 teaspoons of flour. In the video I've used maida, but you can use any flour according to your preferences. Now we need to refrigerate the dough for about 30 minutes in the fridge so we can make it into balls easily. After refrigerating, if the dough is still soft, you can add some maida to it. Now take 1 tablespoon of the dough and roll it in your hands. Now after rolling the ball, make a hole in the middle like a meteor struck the earth. Now take a piece of cheese and put it in the crater. And then close the ball like a momo and then roll the ball. Now your potato cheese nugget is partially ready. Do it to the rest of the dough and the cheese. After doing it, we need 2 whisked eggs, and we even need breadcrumbs, and I've used homemade breadcrumbs. If you don't want to use the eggs, you can use a mixture of flour and milk, but I don't know the correct measurements, so see it online. Now take a ball and put it in the eggs. Now then take out the ball like I've done in the video and put it in the breadcrumbs and cover the ball with breadcrumbs. You can double coat it by doing it 2 times. Now the balls are ready to fry. Now take a pan, put oil in it and let it heat. Then slowly start adding the cheese balls. After adding the cheese balls, wait till they're golden. Take a plate and put tissue paper so that it can absorb all the extra oil. Now it's ready to serve and eat. And see this cheese pull. It is the best out there in the internet. And it's so cheesy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. You can follow me on Instagram. See you next time.